What is up, FC? Here, just doing a quick uh, test, kind of showing you what this stuff is like. So this is that knockoff stem, gong stem. This one is $9.90 off eBay. Um, this is the first one I've seen that's this cheap, so I bought it just off of a whim. Here's my arizer air with the old mouthpiece in it. And I broke all of my really good PVHES Planet Vape ones. So I had to go and get this. And it fits perfectly. It doesn't slide out. I'm not sure what it would be like with the heat on, but it seems like it would stay in. Has a really good snap to it. And to pull it out, you do need like a decent amount of pressure. So when it's heated up, I'm not sure how it's going to act, but so far so good. And for $10, these are a great price to, buy like two at a time, and when one breaks, just buy the next one. It does have 4 holes in it, and I'm going to put a dome screen in there, and I actually have that right here. I got that on from the same seller too, and the prices on the dome screens have actually come down also. So give me a second. So it came like wrapped up in like a thing like just like a newspaper, but they gave me looks like it came up in like a bubble wrap too. But might as well load one in here right now. So I really like these dome screens for the arizer air or solo. Sometimes a little bit tricky to get in there though. Alright, I messed up. Don't worry, this fork hasn't been used. I misshapen it already. Alright, try to get it in there perfectly. It is hard for me to get these things in there, and like you definitely don't want to misshapen them, because the dome shape is like basically what you paid the price for. So I think I'm going to try to make the dome a little bit smaller, a little bit skinnier. Try to reduce the diameter of it a little bit. I feel like there's always a spot you got to pinch in, and then that spot always has like different airflow, which affects the evenness of your ABV. When air can pass through a certain pathway with less resistance, then it decides to, see, I'm messing this up really bad. Really bad. So bad. Oh. So don't do it like that. Be patient and don't try to do it for the video, and take your time and do it the right way. I did a very bad job. Horrible. And I'm just making it worse. Totally deformed. So that is not good. I wanted to make this like a really quick video, but so I tried to hurry up and totally screwed up a screen. And these screens are expensive compared to other screens. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if this video is even worth putting up. It might be like a better what not to do. How to not insert a dome screen into a stem. Let's see, so now it's got like all these creases in it that it's ready to buckle at those creases, like when it was domed it had like really good resistance to changing shape. Now it's like really easy. Yeah, totally screwed it up. Totally screwed it up. Yeah, don't do it like that. Be patient. Who knows if this video will go up. Maybe I'll do it the right way and